All right, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to open up the original template. Let's see where that is here. Is this my template? This is my template. Okay. I don't know how this is going to work because I've had difficulties in this software, but the idea is supposed to be the same. What I want to do is I want to find the layer that game art and animations on. For the life of me, I can't figure this out. Like, oh, look, it's working in this one. Okay, Command Shift S. Sometimes, okay, we'll go 0, 2 here. All right, so maybe if I can double click this now. Can it do anything? Press enter. Yes, press enter. Good. Okay, select something, press enter, and Quida will give you access to this. So I'm going to call this now in caps, Drawing Fundamentals. Okay, there it is, done. Save and then close and step away value. Now, why do I have two of these bad boys on here? Okay, I'm going to move this one way up here. Okay, what about this one here? Let's press delete, I guess. Does that work? Does delete work? I do a right click, send to back. Oh, that's interesting. Right out of Illustrator, send to front, transform. Cut, cut. How about that? Bye-bye, dude. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Oh man, is this ever a gong show or what? Like, all I want to do is show you guys a simple way to do this, but oh, like you're over there now. Okay, drawing fundamentals down. Oh my god, this is painful, man. Krita, why are you doing it? This is so difficult. There's nothing intuitive about this. Drawing fundamentals. Okay, there. Just write it out yourself. Press save, close, yay. I'm gonna lock this layer so I don't touch it again. Okay. So the one that says title page, I don't need, right? It's just drawing fundamentals. So what I'm gonna do now in this app, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag images in, okay? Oh boy, this is the thing, right? You know, I wish you guys could use Photoshop, Illustrator, or even, you know, Sketchbook Pro is perfectly fine. So what I'm doing right now is I'm dragging from my desktop images. Okay, I know some of you don't have the hardware for it, okay? So that's fine. So look, I'm bringing something in. I'm automatically going to go to the stamp booking tool, which is the transform tool, Command T. So Command minus here, and I'll resize this. So I'm just going to put up some fundamental drawings, and I'll explain what I'm doing here, okay? So this is an example of some of my work. So here I am, Mr. Valiant. I practiced the fundamentals. Take a look at what I got. Oh, wow, okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take another example. I'm going to drag it over, insert. Okay, and again, I have to go to this dude here because this is great. The quality of the work is nice. Okay, so here's some examples. I'm going to just place them, and I'm going to align them afterwards. So everything I bring in has its own layer, so that'll be kind of cool. So let's just drag some more stuff here. Let's see, what else do I got in here? I have so many drawings, but hey man, so let's go in here. Let's see what we got. Bring this one in. Insert as a new layer. And then what you need to do is resize right there. Click, it shows up otherwise. Yes, drawing fundamentals. Here we go. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to place that over here. Okay, boom. And then press enter. Walk away. Let's go get some more images here, Valiant. Demo tables, you say? Demo. Let's see. Let's bring this one in. This is me practicing a, what is that? I'd asked you guys to submit drawings of the manuscript of the book, which leads to a table. So I'm just going to leave these all here for you guys to look at, okay? So boom, enter, walk away. Let's go. What do we got here? Some boxes. Let's do that. Insert. Okay, wow, this is a massive one. Awesome. Click. And then I want resize here. Command T or Control T will do it for you, okay? So look, these are all fundamentals. Basically, you're drawing lines diagonally over and over and over. Okay, so there. The fourth one here, the crate, is definitely unnecessary for now. It's not necessary, but you know, it challenges you, right? Let's do another one. Let's bring another one in here. Drawing fundamentals, insert. And this is me drawing isometric, drawing tables. Here's my example of the fundamentals, Mr. Bally. And what's beautiful about this process, guys, just so you know, everything you do here connects to our project, right? So you're not just doing it one time and forgetting about it. These are stepping stones to our project, right? I hope people understand that. Let's see, I want some, where are all my candle drawings for the love of humanity? The humanity of all this. What is this one? Actually, you know what? I did some on my iPad last night. We have a couple candles there. Demo. Okay, so all I'm doing is trying to find stuff to bring in right now, guys. So bear with me. Dead space here, dead space. Wand, Bellion layout, my sword, demo. I'm just reading the stuff on my desktop. Okay. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, this is something I did. Oh boy, they're coming in as Photoshop. That's not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a second. I'm gonna find some more images. I'll be right back. Where's my pause for the cause? Right here. Okay, so I'm back. I think I just found it. It was just there. I couldn't see it. I've got a sun coming in on my screen here. I'm just gonna drag this one and see how it goes. Oh yeah, massive. Okay, cool. Click once and then it activates. So you need to press Control T, okay? So let's move these over here. So these are examples of fundamentals, okay? Warm-up drawings that lead to our project, okay? So that's there. A bit of an overlap going on here. So we need to, move this one over. That one's good. Lock. This one. Okay, tables. Let's move the tables over. I'm just going to use the move tool here. I'm just going to go like that. So you can see the connection between this and the one below. Okay, so there's that. Leave it like that. Return, lock. Let's go to this layer. Come on, a little faster. I have so many screens open. I'm surprised that I could run this much. I have so many apps, I mean. Okay, so who's this? That's the one I just brought in, right? Okay, so this is where you start normally. Like, there's that one there. Boom. I want to find this one underneath. Lock that one up. Okay, you're good. Ooh, more candles and cylinders. Okay, good. I'll leave that here. Okay, you're fine. Boom. Come on. There it is. There's one over there that we need to figure out what to do with. Okay, so that one's over here. That goes like that. Different examples of drawing cylinders becomes candles and so forth, right? So I'm locking that up here. So let's come up here. Boom. Here. I should write tables. Oh, there is. Okay, that one's good. What about this one? Okay, these are like a bucket man here. Okay, so we go like that. So this is all part of the fundamentals, people. Okay. All right, let's just explain what we got here. I'm just gonna leave it like this and say, here's some things. See where I wrote when I was in class, I wanted everybody to give me at least 4 of these books, manuscripts, because the manuscripts are part of this box here, right? And that box is also a table. So this is what we worked on, a bunch of us. So the only thing I'm missing are my potion bottles. Hopefully I have some potion bottles here. Let's see. I've done so many of these demos, and as you know, organization is a big part here, and not doing a great job. Okay, well, here, let me just draw it for you guys, okay? Here's what I'll do. Okay, first we're going to save this as drawing fundamentals, right? So I'm just going to Command Shift S. I'm going to put this as drawing fundamentals, so it becomes its own page, okay? Fundamentals, I don't know what I'm saying, _01. Okay, there's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to new doc now, and I'm just going to draw a bunch of things just to review with you guys what I'm looking for, so you get it. Okay, so here's what I want. 40. Here it is. Okay, so basically I had said to everybody, this must be a lower quality It's only 100 dpi, that's why my brush is looking so big. Anyway, don't worry about it. So I was saying to everybody, like, this is very important that you do stuff like this. Look, imagine this on paper, right? You do parallel lines. Okay, or how many minutes into this? 10. And then eventually I said to you guys, go in and create perpendicular lines, vertical lines, vertical or parallel. So this one and that one is parallel. Notice the way I'm drawing. This is a broken record. Go over your work, go over your work, go over your work. Vertical, 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 go over your lines and then come back and repeat it here and then come back again. So this is a box. This box can become many things for us. Okay? All right, so I'm looking for people to go over their line work so that it shows that you're thinking of process, not end result, okay? It shows, like many of you are doing this, okay? And I don't want to see this, look. Oh yeah, there it is, Valiant, I got this, okay? That's good, but the minute you do this, look at that. Look how much more shape you're getting, how much more form you're getting. And it's giving time for your brain to think about what you're doing, other things, and so forth. Look at the difference, okay? There, okay? The goal was just going to show you. So this is what I want to see from people, okay? So check it out. So you get a bit of boom, resize. Let's go, okay? So let's talk about the ones I'm missing here, the potion bottles that I talked about. Command D, let's go, B for brush. So this is what you guys were doing. And it was cylinders, right? Oh yeah, here it is. Not this. Okay, that's not what I want. I want to see you guys go over your work. Okay, like that. Go over it. And then do this. To me, that's cool. Look, like scribble, scribble, have fun. Okay, this is too limiting. Okay, so again, the same idea here. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. I could draw a line in between. Then the minute I do this, I'm ready for my potion bottles. Look, go like that, make a bigger one. Look, go over my work again and again, okay? Show me your structure. Show me what you did here. Don't go like this, okay? That's not people in my class, although I'm getting it. I'm getting samples like this. Please watch my lessons, okay? We can make that better, okay? Watch Command C, Command V. Watch what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna bring this over here. Here, it's on its own layer, right? Good. Watch what I'll do right now. I'll come over here, press B for brush, and here's what I'll do. Watch. I'm gonna fix it. Fix. Draw a line to kind of see symmetry if you want. Look. Straight. Here's your candle. Here's your candle. Connect it. Make it into this. This is what I'm looking for in the fundamentals. Once you learn to do it like this, you can actually do the next assignment. But if you keep submitting work like this is not going to help you in your design process. Okay? It's too limiting as a form of communication. So I don't want to see that from you guys. Everything we've done builds on each other. So look, here, on. I'll do another one. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there, just go straight if you want. You can turn like that, turn again. Even if it's outside the line, doesn't matter to me. Look. And then the top, which most of you aren't comfortable doing, which is okay. Basically, it's this. It's your cylinder. Remember? This is the cork top. Look. Look, I can come in here and do stuff like this. Here. So this becomes my cork top that goes on top of the bottle. So some of you can do it. Some of you are just doing this, okay? Okay, so I don't know what that is right now. That doesn't go over here. If the minute you do this, that looks like something is like a stopgap, right? It comes in, right? So practice these shapes. Look, boom, boom, 3, 4, 3, 4 means go over it. Okay, do it once, come down, do it once again here, go over it now. Look, that's my cork top, okay? There. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screen grab at this. Hang on a second, let's see what we can do. Let's resize these. Free transform. Oh, come on, Vassal, do your magic. Here we go. These are magic tools. Boom. Hold it here. Okay, so there you go. So I'm going to come in here and just do stuff like this here. Boom. Return. Command D. I'm going to take this. I'm going to merge these layers. Command E. It's merge. Okay, as long as you don't have something locked, you can merge. Just like in Photoshop or Sketchbook, it's the same idea. Get my move tool. Move it over there. This is the no-no. I don't want to see this kind of approach from you guys. Okay? Because the entire year is about you practicing drawing and communicating your ideas through drawing form, right? So here you go, done. Let's resize that. This is what I want to avoid from you guys, okay? Avoid. Just gonna give you guys a Will Robinson. Like that. Let's move that over. And I'm going to bring this in a second into the other dock, okay? So let's see here. Oh, hold on. Command Z. Okay, well. Okay, so there you go. I'm just going to leave it like that. Return, Command D, all that nonsense. Okay, so these are my cylinders, right? Now let's do one more for fun. Okay, let's do something that my wizard is going to use in my project. B for brush. Watch this. I'm going to take that candle idea, right? Go over your line, over and over, come down, right? Make that into, like we were doing the candle, right? But the minute I draw this becomes a vial. Okay? I can even come in here and put a leather casing on it. Look, you don't know that's leather. I'm telling you it's leather. It's okay. It's implied. This is my liquid. Coming down, go over your work, let it stand out. The entire time you go over it, you're giving it greater definition, right? It shows confidence, it shows looseness. Look, okay, so this is for my wizard. Here, boom, 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 like that. Let me darken my pencil a touch. Make the brush smaller and just go over it. So remember, using a pencil is beautiful. This whole assignment is on pencil. I'm only demonstrating this digitally so that you guys can kind of see my screen. Otherwise, I'm going to have a camera from above, and taking screen grabs would be difficult and so forth. Okay, so anyway, this is my thing. Here it is. This is my drawing. All I did is I drew vertical lines. I do cross contour. Cross contour is this, right? Cross the form, across the form, across the form. Okay, so this is part of your fundamentals, okay? I'm looking for this from you guys. This will be going into this assignment, wherever this assignment is. See the potion bottle? Look how I drew that. All the same techniques. It's right out of the fundamentals, okay? Wherever this now, where is it going here? Please tell me. Oh boy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take a screen grab of this. Command Shift 4. Let's go, baby. This should be there, and then I'm going to draw in fundamentals. Let me see if I can just merge all these so I can get rid of the headaches that I'm going through. I can't merge if it's locked in this app, okay? Which is fine. This one could stay. Who are you, buddy? You're there. Okay, good. So let's just go. Command E, boom, 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 boom. Command E just merges them down. Okay, this should be all my drawings. And then some. There you go. Back up. Oops, Command Z. That's not the. Why is that? Uh-oh, it's gonna crash. No, it's locked. Okay, let's try to save this. Hold on. All right, guys. Just kind of moved around some layers. So basically, let's look at what I've done here, okay? So I'm kind of locking things up, but this is our drawing fundamentals, all right? I demoed this earlier. I have at least 10 videos of saying fundamentals, okay? So this, to me, represents the stepping stone in our course. All the assignments are from here, are built on top of this, okay? So please take the time and show me cylinders. Cylinders become candles. Show me examples of candles. Candles become buckets, bucket, okay? And the same oval shape inside of inside this can become into a barrel. You don't have to show me a barrel for the fundamentals, but this is what this is, okay? Those diagonal lines that I set becomes a table. Show me, it's the same thing. If you give me tables and books, it's the same thing. Show me those things. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to save it as one document. Okay, look, the title page is here. Drawing Fundamentals, Grade 10 Animation. Who is it? By Balian. So it could be you, your name, your initials goes here. So then you just go like this. You go, it's one submission, guys. So all your drawings comes down to here, like I did, okay? So now you export it, and you don't export it as a PSD or sketchbook or Krita. You export it as a PNG or JPEG. And then the D2L will make a PDF somehow. I don't know why, but anyway. So let's go save as for a sec. And going into Demo Fridays, which I'm in right now, Drawing Fundamentals. Instead of Krita, I'm going to come in here and hit it as a JPEG, just as a backup. Boom. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to hit Control-Shift-S again. Instead of JPEG, this time I'm going to hit it as PNG, so I'm super backing up my work. Okay, so there it is, your submission. 20 minutes later, and I've got this for you guys done. Okay, good. All right, so that part is done. Thank you. And this lesson is done. Drawing fundamentals and putting the whole thing in a package. I would have liked to seen this drawing fundamentals move in more, but right now that layer is kind of messed up, just so you know. Look, two of these are together now. It makes no sense to me. But title pages aren't. Come on, man. I just had this selected. Can we move? We go right. Right arrow? Nope. How about this arrow? I don't know. Oh, because it's locked. Okay, there we go. I'm moving this over. Okay, well, F. It's all good. Let's get out of this. Command S. We're done here. Thank you, guys. Balian out.